guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below to look forward to new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. For today's video, I'm sorry that I have no makeup on. I just did not have it in me today. It's kind of just a relaxing weekend, washing my hair, getting stuff done. I just didn't feel like putting on makeup just for one video, but I'm sorry about that if you guys are upset that I don't have makeup on. But I've filmed a lot without makeup, so don't be sad. But for today's video, I have a review on a new conditioner that I'm trying out. I really love doing reviews on conditioners. This one is not a first impression because I have tried this conditioner before. So yeah, if you guys like first impressions or reviews of hair care products, makeup products, and everything in between, make sure to like this video and make sure to hit that little notification bell down below because it will notify you every time that I upload. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I'm sorry that I didn't have an upload on Wednesday. I don't remember what happened. Something happened where I couldn't film and I was like, oh, okay, just kidding. But I will have another upload tomorrow for you guys since I missed Wednesday because tomorrow is President's Day and I have the day off, so I have a little bit more time to film for you guys. So yeah, I apologize about that, but let's go ahead and get right into this video. Guys, for today's video, I have this new L'Oreal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Rapid Reviver Deep Conditioner. This is 2 times less breakage than a leading conditioner. It is for damaged hair and you can use it for daily use. Although I wouldn't suggest it for daily use because this does say to apply to wet hair, and I do not suggest washing your hair every day. I did receive this product, not in PR, but I did receive it complimentary to review, but that does not change my opinion or anything at all on this product. So yeah, I actually received this from my influencer box. So it came with this little card and in a cute little box. So it said, our first conditioner with no leave-in time, new Elvive Rapid Repair Reviver boosted with 20% damage repairing serum, almond and protein, works deep, repairs damage fast. It says how to use, apply from links to tip after shampooing, rinse, no leave-in time required. Use in place of regular conditioner 2 to 3 times per week or as needed. And yeah, so this is just the other results. So you're only supposed to leave this in for 1 minute and then rinse thoroughly. Honestly, guys, I don't think that any conditioner can work in 1 minute. That is just my opinion in general. Even the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle, I leave that on probably for at least 5 minutes. Does it work in 3 minutes? Probably. But I think in order to get all of the benefits of a product, you should leave it in for almost 20 minutes, unless otherwise directed by the product. But I mean, in this case, like 1 minute, like, I have tried this before. I have left it in for 1 minute, but I did see results, but nothing that was like astronomically crazy or anything like that. I just think in order to see results, you need to let the product sit and, you know, moisturize and saturate your hair. So I personally leave this in for about 15 minutes, which is not anything crazy because I sometimes leave in my conditioners and everything like that for up to 45 minutes. So it definitely just depends on your routine. I think this would be great for like a co-wash day. I do co-wash midweek, and I think that adding this product to my regimen for that day would be amazing because this is super quick, and when I co-wash my hair, I'm just in the shower co-washing really quick, and I want something quick and easy and not necessarily a deep conditioner that I have to leave in for a long period of time. So that is what I personally will use this for. So yeah, so I just washed my hair. I am currently 2 weeks post relaxer. I have not washed my hair since my relaxer, actually, because I'm just too busy for that. So my hair is really moisturized. I use the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shampoo, and then I went in with my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle to detangle in the shower. So my hair is freshly detangled and freshly shampooed and conditioned. I like to use this product not as a replacement for my conditioner, but as a deep conditioner. I forgot clips. Gosh dang it, I have a bobby pin on the floor, which I might just have to end up using. So if you guys are wondering where my shirt is from, it is from Forever 21. So let me just try and get this bobby pin. So we're just going to have to use this because I really do not feel like getting up and going to get my freaking clips because I honestly couldn't even tell you where they are. So, oh no, my hair is super flaky. Whatever. That sometimes happens after my relaxer because my scalp is a little dry, but that's alright, that's okay. So, I have a little rubber band here. I'm just gonna have to use that. So with this product, which is nice, I don't have to like have my hair completely saturated for it to work like with a lot of other deep conditioners. I do like to have it pretty wet though, pretty damp, not like dripping. So for this size, I'm just going to take a little bit and put it on my hair. Obviously, I have used this before and I haven't seen like, oh my god, my hair is completely different, you know, kind of a use. But I don't think any really deep conditioner does that. But yeah, my hair is super soft after using this mask. I love the Loreal Total Repair line. I've used the conditioner and shampoo from this line, so it is amazing. So I really do enjoy this line from L'Oreal. So I'm just applying that. As you guys can see, it went in really nicely. It has a lot of slip actually. If you guys can see, my hair was previously detangled, but it is gliding through like a dream. I don't have any really cons to this conditioner. I think it's a con that they say that you can only leave it in for a minute, but other than that, everything else is really good. It's hydrating. It does have protein like it said, so if you are being avoidant of protein, like additional protein in your products or anything like that, I don't suggest this. But if you are like me and like to switch between hydrating and protein products, then this should be good for you. So I'm just going to apply this to the rest of my hair, and I will be back to show you guys the finished results when everything is in. Alrighty guys, so I'm just going to take a little bit more and place this directly onto my edges because you need to take care of them, and I just love to hydrate my edges as much as possible because it helps them grow and stay moisturized. Okie dokie, so that is a conditioner in. As you guys can see, it doesn't really leave a white cast or anything like that. I don't go too heavy-handed with this product because a little bit does go a long way. I will show you guys the consistency of the product as well. So it just looks like this. It just looks like a regular conditioner. It's not really thick. It's not really a loose texture either. It just kind of almost feels like the consistency of yogurt is what I can describe it as. So a little bit does go a long way, so it's not super thick where you have to like spread it out with your hands and everything. That's why I really think that this will be amazing for a co-wash day. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for around 15 minutes. Gonna go eat some enchiladas because I'm so hungry, and I will be back with my hair rinsed out and show you guys the results. Alrighty guys, it has been about a half an hour actually because I have to take my dog outside. He had to go to the bathroom. So this is what my hair is looking like. As you guys can see, it looks so healthy. It feels so good, guys. Like, it just makes my hair feel so strong and healthy. and moisturized, but it's not like, you know when you use like a protein conditioner, it feels like, oh my god, like my hair feels strong but so stripped, you know? This one does not strip my hair at all. It just really moisturizes it, and it really does feel like it's helping with the damage and everything like that, which I find amazing. Not that I have a lot of damage because I haven't dyed my hair, I think, in almost 2 years, but I do really want to go back to black, guys. I just miss my black hair so much. I'm happy that I don't miss my blonde because blonde is just too much upkeep for me. If I want to go blonde again, I think your girl will just get a wig. So, this is what my hair is looking like. It is so nice. As you guys can see, I could detangle my hair so easily. That also is because I do have a pretty fresh relaxer, not even gonna lie. But a lot of, you know, sometimes after a deep conditioner your hair can feel stiff and just like not moisturized at all. This doesn't feel like I used a super moisturizing conditioner, but it feels like, you know, my hair is hydrated, it's good, it's healthy, and everything like that. So I cannot say enough good things about this conditioner. Like I said, I would not recommend it for daily use because it is a deep conditioner. It's a rinse out conditioner, so I won't use this as a leave-in or anything like that. So it says it's damage repairing, rich formula with 20% conditioning serum, almond, and protein. I definitely can see the conditioning serum play a role in how my hair feels. It feels just so good, you guys. I really enjoy this conditioner. Like I said, if you're looking for a conditioner that you can just apply to your hair super duper fast and get good results in a short amount of time, if you're pressed for time. I know a lot of people don't have time to have an entire wash day. During the week, I honestly oftentimes do not have time to co-wash my hair. I'm just being completely honest with you guys. Some days during the week, I am just way too tired, have too much to do to co-wash my hair, so my co-washing has gone down a lot, which I did express to you guys in my relaxer update, but I am trying to get back on my ball game. Today is Sunday when I'm filming this, so I am planning to do my wash day on either Wednesday or Thursday, my co-wash day either on Wednesday or Thursday, because when I was co-washing my hair regularly, I saw so much growth in my hair. My hair was so hydrated, moisturized, and just so healthy, so I'm really trying to get back on my game, and this product will definitely be involved in that process. So yeah, guys, that is it for this week's video, for today's video, not this week's, for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And also, if you guys have any products that you want me to try out, leave them down below. I am really excited to try. Hopefully next week I can find the packet of the new Shea Moisture coconut water deep conditioner, the one that's like, I think it's supposed to be volumizing. I'm so excited for that. So yeah, I hope that you guys are having a wonderful week, and I will talk to you guys in my next video very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.